How to fix a washing machine that won't rinse is a common issue many people face. To start, ensure the washing machine is properly connected to a water supply and check the water inlet hoses for any blockages or kinks. Next, verify the rinse cycle is selected and the washing machine is not overloaded, as this can prevent the rinse cycle from working properly. Check the washing machine's drain pump filter for any blockages, as a clogged filter can prevent the washing machine from rinsing. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom of the washing machine, and remove any debris or dirt. Also, check the washing machine's detergent dispenser for any blockages, as excess detergent can prevent the rinse cycle from working. If the issue persists, check the washing machine's control panel for any error codes or messages. Refer to the user manual to diagnose the issue. Additionally, check the washing machine's water supply valves to ensure they are fully open and not restricted. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to call a professional for further assistance. To prevent this issue in the future, regularly clean the washing machine's drain pump filter and detergent dispenser. Also, ensure the washing machine is properly maintained and serviced according to the manufacturer's instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a washing machine that won't rinse and prevent future issues. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help extend the lifespan of your washing machine and prevent costly repairs.